Guys, tell me honestly, if you had to create 10 professional posters today, how long would it actually take? You'd start by searching for templates, adjust the text, then resizing everything for different platforms. And before you even realize it, how quickly the hours pass. That's exactly why CapCut AI design, now powered by the brand new Seedream 5.0 model, is such a game changer. With Seedream 5.0, you get sharper visuals, stronger character consistency, and smarter prompt understanding, all inside CapCut's AI design workspace. You can simply search CapCut on Google and open the web version to get started right away. Now see how simple the process is? You have to just type one prompt and instantly generate multiple high-quality, professional poster variations. Want changes? Just tell the AI, make the background darker. Try a different outfit. Adjust this for Instagram Reels. And it updates instantly. No manual redesign required. So if you're a creator, a designer, or a business owner, this is going to completely upgrade your workflow. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button hard right now and stay tuned with the AI learning. All right, so to access CapCut AI design, just click the link in the description and head over to the official website. Once you're there, click on Try Online. As soon as you log in, the CapCut web version will open up. Now, go straight to the AI design section. If you don't want to start designing from zero, you can move directly into the Inspiration Templates section. Here, you'll find ready-made AI templates across different categories, like posters, social media, business, brand, photos, Valentine's Day, events, and cinematography. Let's try a few of them. For example, under the Valentine's Day category, you'll see multiple template options. I'm going to select this self-love one. Even within this format, you'll get multiple template variations, where the layout, font styles, color grading, and element placement are already professionally optimized. But the best part is, you can customize everything. The text, character, background, mood, even the layout, all with the help of the Seedream 5.0 model. Now let's suppose we want to change the text. Click on Change Text. Now I'll replace the existing line. Before you love someone, love yourself, with Romance begins within. Make sure Model, Seedream 5.0 is selected, then click Submit. Within just a few seconds, boom, the image updates exactly the way we wanted. Now, if you want to change the background, click on Change Background and type something like Soft Pastel Pink Smoke. Hit Generate, and look at that. The output looks clean and beautifully blended. Now, if you want to replace the character, click on Replace Character, upload your own model image, and once it generates, the character is swapped smoothly, with a very natural and polished look. You can even change the mood. For example, if I type feeling sad and lonely and generate it, you'll see the entire vibe of the image shift instantly. Now let's try another category, like social media, and select a YouTube thumbnail template. Within seconds, you can customize this thumbnail according to your content. First, make sure Seedream 5.0 is selected as the model. Now I'll replace the character with my own image. Click Replace Character, upload the image, and hit Generate. And as you can see, it swaps the character seamlessly. Next, let's update the text. Copy the existing layout style, click on Change Text, remove the old text, and paste the new one. I'll type Seedream 5.0 and generate. And there you go, a clean, professional-looking thumbnail. So, the result is amazing, right? So this is how you can make multiple changes and quickly create professional posters and designs without starting from zero every time. All right, now let's move to the next part. That is conversational editing. For example, under the quick category, I'll go to branding and click on Show My Brand on Billboard. As soon as I click it, you'll notice that a prompt is already written automatically. From here, I'll just change the brand name to The AI Learning. And one important step, always make sure you select the right model. For better results, choose Seedream 5.0. Now I'll click Generate. It's processing, and done. Now, instead of manually editing this image, we're going to modify it by using chat. Now I'll paste this prompt. I want to replace the small slogan with "Technology meets imagination." Then I'll click Generate. Let's see if it works. Nice! It changed perfectly. Bold, clean, exactly as requested. Now let's take it a step further and change the entire billboard mockup. I'll type, "I want to change the billboard mockup." Then I'll drag the image and drop it after mockup, then upload a new poster file, place it after with, and hit Generate. Let's see what happens. Wow, it has realistically replaced the entire mockup and it looks completely natural. Now let's say I want to change the aspect ratios. With batch multi-size generation, you can create multiple poster sizes at once for different social media platforms. So I'll paste this prompt. I want to generate multiple sizes in a single batch. Hit Generate, and now it's creating multiple sizes at the same time. And look at that. It has automatically generated different poster dimensions, optimized for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other platforms. Now, let's give it a slightly more challenging task. I'll paste this prompt. Create images of complete yoga poses for a woman to stay fit. And the best part? It doesn't just generate one image, it creates multiple variations. And done. In just a few seconds, it generated different yoga pose images. And that's the power of conversational editing, just by chatting with the AI. Now we're going to do some real editing. You can call it an all-in-one editor. Honestly, once you start using this, you won't feel the need for any other platform. So first, I'll pick an image from here, and I'm selecting model Seedream 5.0. The moment I select the image, you'll see some features automatically highlighted. From here, I'll click on Edit Elements, and boom, the girl gets separated from the background. You can also see the layer panel here. Now I can freely play around with this image. I'll just resize it a bit. Next, I click on the background layer, then go to Remove, where you'll see multiple options. The first one is Auto Remove. Click on it, hit Generate at the bottom, and just like that, the background is gone. All you need to do is tick Yes. With Quick Select, you can keep a particular part and remove everything else. There's also the Brush tool. Just brush over what you want to keep and remove the rest. You also get Erase and Selection options. Now let's jump into the AI tools. This is where things get crazy. First one is InPaint. With this, you can add anything you want inside the image. I'll paint over this area with the brush because I want to add something here. What should we add? Let's say an open book. Hit Generate and look at that. AI created it perfectly. Whichever result I like, I'll select it and tick. Next option is Expand. This lets you expand your image according to different aspect ratios or social media formats. For now, I'll select an Instagram post, hit Generate, and the image expands successfully. With the Remove tool, you can delete unwanted objects. Then I'll select the model and upscale it. This converts the image into high quality. After that, we have the Crop tool. Then the Replace tool, which allows you to replace or add another image. Now let's explore the More section. Here you'll find extra editing options like color, light, effects, and more. From here, I'll add some text, rename it, and call this yoga pose Virabhadrasana. Adjust the size a little, and place the text nicely in the background. Apart from that, you can add stickers and shapes. From the 3-dot menu, you can try Design, Frames, and Brand Kit. You also get tons of templates here. Now we'll use this AI influencer for product branding, from fashion outfits to premium perfume ads. For outfits, I uploaded the items, selected Seedream 5.0, pasted the prompt, hit Generate, and within seconds, the model appears wearing the complete outfit in a confident, stylish pose. To maintain consistency, I'll use a single prompt for different poses, and hit Generate again. And just like that, clean, realistic, totally professional images in multiple poses. Now I have this perfume, for which I want to create e-commerce ad posters. Let's try Seedream 5.0. So I upload the perfume image, selected Seedream 5.0, paste a prompt, and hit Generate. And look, a natural base shadow appears under the perfume. Let's change the placement a bit. I'll paste a new prompt and hit Generate. This time, the scene is a bedside wooden table with the perfume placed on it. And there it is. Wow, such a realistic look. Now I want the same perfume to be held in my model's hand. So I add the product, enter the prompt,
Also upload the influencer image as well.
and click Generate. And within moments, the final image is ready. It looks so realistic that it's genuinely satisfying to see. So that's the overall workflow of the CapCut AI design tool, where Seedream 5.0 played a major role. And trust me, this isn't just an update, it's a creative upgrade. Why is it powerful? Because you get faster generation, better detail quality, smarter prompt understanding, and multi-size batch output, which makes your entire creative workflow smooth. So if you're a content creator and you want to take your content to the next level, click my link in description to unlock limited free access. Don't miss this deal. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And for more AI content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.